Hey man, thanks for tuning in, man. Make a quick video on things to look at when you buy a golf cart. This is probably a 1988 model gas car, and the customer bought it here. If you look at the serial number, if you look where it says manufacturing code F2296, the last two numbers mean it's 1996, but this can't be a 1996 because they quit making this body style, which is the Easy Go Marathon, in 1993. So always do your homework, man, and see what you got. And this is a club car DS here. DS, you can tell by the front body on them. That's the President's, because they got the round body. This is a DS. On the DS, if you look at the serial number here, it's A9529. So it's 1995. A club car, that's how you tell. But the main thing about buying a golf cart is when you go to purchase a golf cart, always look at the batteries and see what year the batteries are, because the batteries are the main thing that costs the most expensive when buying a golf cart. And you can see here, this is an L7. So that's going to be around October, November 2017. So they now, on some of the batteries, they'll have on the positive post, they'll have a number and then a stamp. I mean, a number, then a letter. The number will be the year. And on the Trojans and all that, they're going to have it on the negative post. A letter, then a number, just like this here. That's the main thing. That's two of the main things you want to check for: serial number, year. Like on the President here, this is a club car President. You can see SL 2018. So you know the 2018 model. All right. The main thing, man, if it ain't right to you, man, don't buy it. And you can look at here. There's some batteries here on the Trojan i4 with 2014 on the negative post. Then over here you got a J8 2018. All right. But that's how you tell, man. Just be careful out there, man. We've had a lot of customers come up here and say they got a 2023 golf cart, and a golf cart be a 1992, 1993, or even a 2001. So just make sure, man. All right, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post more videos.